Hey guys, what is up? Today we will be learning local storage. So, for my last example, we're going to be using window.location in this. So, local storage, it has a little title over there. So, in the next video, we are going to be making a login page. So, say you have a website or something, you want to make a login page for that, you can do it through local storage. So, we're going to create an input, so text box, input. Let's see, what do we want to do? ID, username. What else we gotta do here? That's it. Not gotta do much. Alright, and we'll do placeholder. That's what we can do. So in the little text box there'll be a little message saying what you have to do. So type username here. We're gonna do br tag. After that we are gonna do a button. ID equals enclave equals login. Right, and over here. Okay, so that's what we're just going to be doing over there. So now we're going to start with the CSS to code for the little login page, which we'll be doing in the next class. So it's a little background information I'll hit technically. Alright, so we're going to do body, outer brackets, so we're going to do text align, center. We could do a little background color. It should be. We did that. Alright, now what else do we have to do? We can code for the button. So hashtag btn. Then we're going to do width 100 pixels, height to 30 pixels, and we can do maybe a border. We can do border and solid black 2 pixels. We can do border radius to 10 pixels. Alright, we did that. So now main.js, so function login, function login. Alright, now we'll do flower brackets. Now what we want to do is we want to store the text in the input box in a variable. So we're going to do username equals document get ID. ID was, what was it? Username. We're just going to get dot value because we're getting whatever stored inside. Now we're going to do, oops. Sometimes it does that, it goes automatic, so value, click somewhere else. Alright, now over here we're going to do local storage dot set item because we're giving an item. So in the local storage you have to give two parts. You have to give a key name and you have to give a variable. So the key name could be user name, and the variable itself that we made on top is username itself. Username right over there. So that's a bit on how you just set the item. So whoops, you have to have a comma between. Alright, now we're gonna do window location equals next page HTML. Alright. So just to save the time, we're just gonna do this right over here. Now we're gonna do h1 tag h1, and we're gonna fetch the username here. So we're just gonna give an ID to, you can give, let's see, we'll just give text. Now over here we're gonna do local storage get item, because we're get item, and we're gonna get it by its key name, which was user originally in the last JS page. And we're gonna do document get element by ID was text inner HTML. We're gonna store this in a variable too. Alright, and then so that's its variable name. Then after that we are going to do the username is we're gonna do username because that's the variable name. Now we're gonna just do a live test. Alright, so let's see. We're gonna do just H. Will that login? Alright, it's not showing. Cancel. Sorry about that. Computer is glitching. Alright, inspect. Let's go to console. Alright, so we don't have an error, which is pretty weird. So let's just check our coding once. If not, let's go to HTML. How about we just don't do that? We'll just straight put the variable. Okay, so h login. So if it's not working, another way we can check if the code is working, we can go to just press these little two arrows together, press memory. Application, sorry. Okay. Let's see what the problem is over here. Alright, so that doesn't seem to be working. So what we can do is over here, we did set it properly, yeah. Okay, so let's check this out one time. Username equals local storage. Okay, so the code is correct. If it's not working for some reason, I don't know why. Let's see, do we make it properly over here? Go h1 ID. Okay, let's say we did welcome. Let's go back. Alright. Hello. Okay, so for some reason that is not working. So let's see over here. What if we do this? I just need to fix. Alright, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do br h1 ID is equal to text. Over here, we're just gonna remove this. I'm gonna go so no, let's try that. Let's see if it works. Login. We're gonna have to refresh that. Okay, that's working. So if we go to inspect, if you really want to see how the local storage works, you can go to, one second, you can go to application, local storage, right over here. Now you can see it says username, hello, right over here, this one. So that's how the local storage works. So if you want to create a login page, technically what I was trying to do is you can go to the next page and it'll display it over there. But for some reason that wasn't working. So in the next video, we will be learning how to make our login page for our website, so stay tuned for that. See you later.